Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to turn on or off link history on the Facebook mobile app for iOS and Android devices. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. All you have to do is open up the Facebook app and select the profile icon in the top right. Go down and select Settings and Privacy. And then you want to select Link History. So if you had any link history in here or if it was turned on, you would go ahead and just click disable. However, if you wanted to enable it, you would select allow link history. So basically link history will allow you to see the recent sites you visited on Facebook all in one place. When you turn on link history, you may use your information from your ads across Meta technologies. And you can also manage your link history anytime in your browser settings, which is a different setting within the settings. So again, you would just go ahead and allow this to turn it on, or you could disable it from here. And that's pretty much all you'd have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.